Today I'm taking a look at the Excited Work Brushless Drill. Okay. So we got our instructions. Comes with a mini assortment of drills and drivers. This is nice. It actually comes with 2 batteries. So these are both big 3 amp hour batteries. They're both 21 volts and they both have that clip style lock. They do have barrel connectors on the back if you want to charge it through that. But this drill actually comes with a full on charger. We have our LED indicators there on the front. So we got 3 contacts right there. So it's good for 110 to 240. So it's good for international or domestic. And it outputs 1 amp at 21.5 volts. Here is our drill. Very nice rubber texture there on the grip. This is brushless, so that means the motor is going to last longer. It's going to have more power. It's not going to draw as much power out of the battery, and it's not going to produce that smoke smell that you sometimes get with brushed motors. You can also see on the top, this is actually a hammer drill. I wasn't expecting that, but we got a hammer function right there. We got our drill function there, and we've got our driver function there. We also have our torque settings, so if you want this guy to slip rather than try to break your wrist, we can bring that down. If we need to have more torque, then we can bring that torque up. I do also feel that that has a metal ring on that chuck. So that is great. We have a pretty decent sized chuck on there. And we can see we got our no load speed at 0 to 500 RPM or 0 to 1650 RPM, 80 Newton meters in torque, 3000 milliamp hour battery, and we got our charger right there. So the speed is going to be adjustable right there. So we got 1 and 2, and that does come with a clip. And we got our screw pre-installed, so we could just take this guy and drop it on there. We'll be able to hang that guy off of our belt in the event that we want to climb up a ladder. So nice that we got that as an option. Very nice. And we can see we do have a little light bar there on the bottom. Speed 1. And here's speed 2. So speed 2 is definitely much faster. So if you don't know, the hammer side, that is going to be for driving into concrete or other masonry. What that's going to do is it's going to make a little bit of a bump there on the end. So it's going to provide some thrust force so that can break up the concrete so that you can drill through that much better. So if you're going to be doing masonry work, this is definitely the style that you want to have. But if you're drilling into metal or wood, it's much better to have that on drill. Okay, and that's something I always like to hear. You can kind of hear that ratcheting mechanism as we lock it down. So that means that that is going to hold on nice and tight. You don't have to worry about that drill spinning whenever it meets something tough. So I'm going to start out with just blasting a couple of holes. This is just a piece of pallet, so it shouldn't be a problem. Well, I can do that all day. That is not a problem. So here I've got a piece of 1/8 inch steel, and I'm going to be using a cobalt bit. No problem, plenty of power for that. So here I have got a masonry bit, and we are going to set that to hammer. That hammer, that is one of the things that makes this a much better drill than your average drill. So overall, that is an awesome drill.